Will?
Yeah.
What's scheduled for today?
I never really scheduled anything, that Hawk.
Why not?
I don't know.
Oh, I'm a Nighthawk. Anyways, Nighthawk. What do you want to do? I don't know. I just don't know. I don't know anything! Well, you know how to exist. I barely even know how to exist! You're existing right now. Actually, I don't really know how to exist exactly. But you're existing fine without a cause. No, because, like, every now and then, I'll sort of glitch of frame. Oh, I see a problem. Well, maybe we could— Oi, fellas! Huh? Oi, fellas! My name is Gaither. I am a frog. What are you doing in my house? No, that's not important. What's important is what are you doing here? Why does everyone say that? This is where I live. Oh, so I am Gaither the frog. Where do you live? I live in a pond. What? There's a guy? Yes, Will, there's a guy. Oh, my name's Gaither. I am a frog. What happened to your other eye? I don't want to talk about it. So anyways, I am a frog named Gaither. Haven't you said that already? So what are you doing today? It feels pretty nice outside. So Gaither, what do you want to talk about? Oi, anything you want, laddie. How old are you? Go ahead. Actually, what was that? Well, can you get this guy out?
What do you expect mine to do?
Okay, fine. Well, Gaither, so, you're green and yellow. I just remembered I am 27 years old. Are you Scottish? Golly! So actually, I am lost. Do you know where to find... What was their name? There's someone I'm looking for. Who are you looking for? A cat. A cat? There's a cat in the house, I think. No, never mind. It's not important. You guys probably haven't seen him. He's, like, from space. Cat from space? What do you... Never mind. So, you are a red-eyed tree frog. Oh, your eyes are red. It's in the name. Well, this guy is so awkward. Okay. This guy is so awkward. What do I do? How do I get him out of my house? No need to worry. I'm not gonna hurt anyone. I'm just hanging out here. Because I'm, like, lost, trying to look for someone. Okay, you can stay a little longer, I guess. The guest bedroom is in the other room. Okay, thank you. You handle this very well. You have a lot of people go into your house. Yeah, all the time. Everyone's trying to go in my house. I don't know why. Well, thank you. Ciao. Well, this is going to be like the worst episode ever. What do you mean by episode? I don't know.